GPT-4 is a highly advanced and sophisticated system that can take in what you prompt it with and just run with it. It can be viewed as both a tool to get useful language tasks done and a system that can bring dreams, thoughts, and ideas to life in text right before your eyes. GPT-4 is capable of generating up to 25,000 words of text, which is around 8 times more than Chat GPT. Additionally, it has the ability to understand images and express logical ideas about them. For instance, it can inform us that cutting the strings in an image would cause the balloons to fly away. This is where the power of these AIs becomes apparent, and you feel turbocharged by their capabilities. While GPT-4 is a highly advanced system, it is not without its flaws and can make mistakes. Therefore, it is important to ensure that the work being done meets your level of expectation. Nevertheless, I believe that the main goal of this technology is to amplify the capabilities of every person. The training for GPT-4 was completed last August, and since then, there has been a tremendous effort to make it safer, more aligned, and more useful. This has been a giant sprint in the past few months leading up to its release. We have implemented a number of internal guardrails to address issues such as adversarial usage, unwanted content, and privacy concerns.